Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Mitsubishi Outlander cabin air filter. First, gather your tools: a new cabin air filter and a small Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely and turned off. This easy maintenance task significantly improves your car's interior air quality and the efficiency of your heating and air conditioning system. It's a quick job that anyone can do at home. Now let's access the filter. Open your glove box all the way. You'll notice two small tabs or stops on the sides. Gently press inward on both of these tabs simultaneously to release the glove box from its hinges. Once released, the glove box will swing down further, revealing the rectangular housing that contains the cabin air filter. Be careful not to force anything. With the housing exposed, you'll see two small clips, usually on the top and bottom or sides of the cover. Unclip these to open the filter housing. Carefully slide out the old cabin air filter. Take note of its orientation and the direction of the airflow arrow. Now, insert your new filter, ensuring the airflow arrow points in the correct direction, typically downwards or towards the rear of the vehicle. Finally, close the filter housing cover and snap the two retaining clips back into place, making sure it's sealed properly. Then, lift the glove box back up and push it firmly until the side stops re-engage, securing it in its normal closed position. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals. Regular filter changes keep your air fresh and your system running efficiently.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.